Good morning, babes. So this is me installing my lace front wigs. I took this video during a span of 2 days, which was right here is night and then in the morning. So right here, I'm laying down all of my baby hairs and any flyaways with Got To Be gel, and I also sprayed it with the Got To Be hairspray. And since I'm only going to wear this wig for a couple of days, I just braided it into 2 braids instead of doing all the cornrows. So for the products I'm using is Erika J's Lay Me Down. This is the sports adhesive glue, and this one I really like because I do tend to sweat during the day from doing activities. So for my lace cap, I'm using a really thin one. Some of the beauty supplies sell like thicker ones, but this is a HD cap, which is preferably better because it blends way better. And for this lace front wig, since it is darker hair, I'm going to be color matching the lace to my skin color, and I'm going to be applying 3 times with this glue for me to lay it down. And each time I apply it, the glue, I make sure it's completely clear. As you can see, there's a spot that is white by my temples, and I have to wait until everything is clear in order for me to lay another glue down, because if not, it's just going to make a big old mess and it's going to look like a disaster and it's just going to be a waste of time. Trust me. So right here, I'm just fanning it down with the regular fan. You can also use a blow dryer, but since it was cold this night, I didn't necessarily need a blow dryer, but you can use a blow dryer if you want to just speed up the process. And then the last layer, I am using my finger because I was just lazy and didn't want to use a popsicle stick, to be honest. But either way, you can use your finger or a popsicle stick. But if you use your finger, just make sure you wipe it down each use with rubbing alcohol. And now right here, I'm just laying down my wig with my comb, and I'm not trying to use my fingers that much. And also I'm using this razor. If you guys had seen, it's a purple one right here. It's called Flamingo from Target. This one's a better razor than those other like colorful big razors. To be honest, this one just glides on it smoothly, then the other one gets stuck. So I trade back and forth with scissors and a razor. All I'm doing is for the excess lace, removing it. And after this, I'll apply an elastic band, which will have the lace adhere better. And I'll leave it on for like 10-20 minutes, sometimes even 30 minutes, depending on the day. So after I remove the band, I apply hairspray to secure it even more. And I hot comb the part out. And the next day is right here in the morning. I sleep with the bonnet on just to secure everything and make sure my hair is laid flat, so I don't always have to style it. But I didn't style it at night, so right here I'm straightening it and doing my baby hairs with some mousse that doesn't have alcohol. And it's really key to not have alcohol so your lace doesn't lift. And this is the final product, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.